Okay guys, this is my meat. I already marinated overnight. If you wanna see how I make my spice, you can check my channel, my YouTube channel, and how I clean my meat. I just show you a little bit how I do it, but it's already done last night. Okay, we're gonna continue with the video. Now I have tomato, chopped tomato. I'm gonna put on it. That's my crab. And we're gonna put some tomato paste. We're gonna dilute it in water. So we can put it in our meat. So we prepare all that. And I have some hot pepper. Okay, now we're gonna put our meat in our pan, just like that, already marinated. And we're gonna let it boil. Put our tomato and let it boil, and we'll be back. Now I'm gonna add my crab. I let my meat boil for 30 minutes, and after that I add my crab and cover it back. Now our crab been boiled for like 5-10 minutes. I put my tomato paste that I dilute in water, and I put my gombo, calalou or calalou, whatever you wanna call it, and then I'm gonna put water just enough to cover the gombo or calalou. And that's when you're gonna add, if you wanna add butter, more oil, hot pepper, persil, and whatever you wanna add, you add, and then you close the pot and let it boil for a good 30 minutes. Then this is our finished pot. You see, my gombo is very nice and soft. Okay, you can eat that with white rice by itself, or you can add some beans too together, and those three will be a very, very nice meal. Look at that. See, very tasty, look good and tasty.